Okay, I got you. What are you doing, Evan? You gonna fix it? Say go, go, go.
Man, can you get this on like this? Okay, it's time to do it.
Now what have you done? No, 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 that's Nana's. What? Fix it. Fix it, Evan. Move that, Shelby, so he can get his airplane out of in front of the cash register. Ah. You're going to have to turn around sometime, kiddo. Uh-oh.
Here. Go that way.
What you doing there, baby?
He's here.
Are you working on it? Pull it. Move it. There you go. There you go.
Nobody's
You can do better. You can do it. Pick it up. Pick it up. That was awful loud, wasn't it?
What way?
The TV. Where's that? Where's the controls? Uh-oh, what are you doing? Uh-oh. Turn it up. Go set it up for him, Shelby. Yeah, let's see what he does. He's going to take Brother's toy.
Here, brother. Over here.
You found it.
Scan a price tag.
Oh.
Or drop a